Electronic Engineering Technology. The core curriculum includes 2 college-level dual enrollment courses, MET 120, Industrial Mechanical Systems, and MET 130, Industrial Electrical Systems. Some of the topics include power supplies, switches, resistors, capacitors, inductors, motors, transformers, fuses, circuit breakers, and rheostats. Students will install, test, and troubleshoot electrical and electronic components and systems. On the mechanical systems side, students will calculate speed, torque, power, pitch, ratio, and mechanical efficiency. The Level 2 and Level 3 curriculum will provide more in-depth instruction in electronics, and students will complete coursework necessary to earn the nationally recognized certification, Certified Electronics Technician Associate, CETA. This will involve completing the following courses: DC circuits, AC motors, semiconductors, and digital circuits. Your career possibilities include a career as an electronic engineering technician, electrical and electronic equipment assembler, or an electronics engineering technologist.